In southeast Italy, a little village called Ostuni, and I started to weld when I was 14 years old, and always have passion to build stuff. And I worked in Florence for pretty much about 10 years in the tool and die, and that's basically where you learn, the trainer how to build basically anything if you have the patience. I guess my passion was to drink good espresso and offer beautiful espresso machines. This machine designed from scratch, build a frame and do different designs based on the basic machines. People they can have any kind of shapes or copper, brass, and any kind of material, stainless, which is basically we do a lot of stainless. I believe when I started to build these machines in 1993, it was not any solid and semi-commercial espresso machine for home. Mostly those machines, they were kind of built overseas, Italy, whatsoever, so on. They look like boxes, they had no style, and that was my idea to build a nice looking espresso machine. Everybody has a dream. I got very lucky to be in this country, and we ship machines, pretty much not only in the United States but outside the United States, and we have thousands and thousands of customers, very happy, and I'm very happy also to have them to be our customers.